Less than 5 miles from City Hospital. A beautiful contemporary. 1 level, 1,599 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, at the end of a cul-de-sac. Bright and shiny with large windows, open floor plan west/vaulted ceilings, a gas fireplace, slate hearth, tastefully situated on 1.24 mostly level acres at end of a cul-de-sac in a stunning neighborhood. Clean, modern design and with enough space for a garden or whatever floats your boat, even has a NEST Thermostat, on-demand tankless water heater, a must-see at an incredible price point. Don't miss this one. Schedule your showing today.